Day after the Supreme Court granted senior Aam Aadmi Party leader and former Deputy Delhi Chief Minister Manish Sisodia bail, the leader launched a scathing attack on the BJP, Enforcement Directorate and the CBI, addressing party workers at the Aam Aadmi Party headquarters. He began his address raising slogans, Bhrashtachar ka ek hi kaal, Kejriwal. Hitting out at the BJP, he called the verdict a slap on the face of the BJP while hoping that Arvind Kejriwal will also come out soon. Terming Arvind Kejriwal the symbol of honesty, Manish Sisodia hit out at the BJP and said 17 months of honesty and truth have won. He also called upon the opposition leaders to unite against the dictatorship of the BJP. Before addressing party workers, Manish Sisodia offered prayers at the Connaught Place-based Hanuman Temple, followed by a visit to Rajghat.
ये ईडी और सीबीआई का ताना बाना इसलिए नहीं बुना गया कि कोई बेईमानी हो गई है। ये ईडी और सीबीआई का ताना बाना इसलिए बुना गया है कि कश्मीर से कन्याकुमारी तक किसी चाय के ढाबे पे भी रुके हुए 10 लोगों से बात करोगे कि केजरीवाल कौन है जानते हो? बोले यार वो दिल्ली में काम बड़ा शानदार कर रहा है और काम तो कर ही रहा है, ईमानदारी से कर रहा है। केजरीवाल जी का नाम आज ईमानदारी का प्रतीक बन गया पूरे देश में। और भारतीय जनता पार्टी इतनी अपने आप को कहते हैं दुनिया की सबसे बड़ी पार्टी होने के बावजूद एक राज्य में एक उदाहरण नहीं पेश कर पाई कि उस राज्य में काम ईमानदारी से हो रहा है और काम हो रहा है।
It was certainly a big win for Aam Aadmi Party after Manish Sisodia, the former Deputy Chief Minister of the National Capital, walked out of Tihar jail yesterday night. And today he went to Hanuman Temple, Rajghat, and then came here at party headquarters where he addressed the party workers and spoke to the media as well. This was his first address after walking out of Tihar jail after a period of 17 months. Here are the visuals that we are giving you outside the party headquarters of Aam Aadmi Party, where all the senior leaders of Aam Aadmi Party are also present. But yes, these are all the pictures where the Karyakartas have gathered to welcome Manish Sisodia, and there in the poster you also see the poster of Satyamev Jayate of Manish Sisodia along with Arvind Kejriwal. So yes, there is a kind of messaging that Aam Aadmi Party has to do, and the messaging is that the cases in which Aam Aadmi Party's leaders were put behind the bars, those all cases are false and they were falsely implicated. This particular messaging has been done, and the same message was also given by Arvind Kejriwal from the stage. He also called the central government as a dictator, and in fact has said that now it has come, now the time has come when dictatorship should leave India. Not just this, he also in fact highlighted the points that how the party and the leaders were implicated in the false case.